Okay, guys.
Picture you taking my phone. I thought you was going somewhere, my bad.
Okay, y'all. So it is currently what time?
Last to survive the hurricane.
It is now 9 something. 9 something. Okay, y'all. It's 9 something. The hurricane hasn't started yet. So I'll update y'all when it has started. We're just here for now, enjoying the calm before the storm. Okay, y'all. So it is 10:34. The place is incredibly calm. That's very scary, y'all. But I also making noise in my video. So everybody got bored of waiting, so we did some TikToks and then I literally went to bed. This is me waking up in the morning to go and see the damage the storm has caused, because I didn't hear anything. During the night I was dead asleep. And this right here is the face of confusion. Like, did I miss the storm? Did it pass me by? The place was so calm, y'all. Like, incredibly calm. A few minutes later, we got a little bit of rain. After that, the wind started blowing. But that was it. We didn't get anything too dramatic.
I'm gonna drop a big stone on this roof just so it's not too dry.
So later during that day, we had no electricity and we were basically just kicking off in the dark. And the water PT is after the storm pass. We take the currents. This is the guy that making bullets. Say hi to the camera. Yeah.
But look at this. Look out now.
Yeah. Well, they have current some places. They have current down there. Just
no, they block a post down there.
well, someone yes, a post fall down somewhere.
So
yeah.
Not to spoil it for us.
I know, right? All day we have current here, so
Let's play Monopoly.
We're about to go and play Monopoly because what to do? This is the current. What to do? I finished already. I took mine out. Okay, y'all, so after that we just played Monopoly. I would say about for an hour. The electricity didn't come back until the next day, so yeah, we were playing Monopoly in the dark for a good while. But that was it. That concludes the mini vlog, y'all. Thank you so much for watching.